Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we are digging into a fundamental shift in how businesses get found online.
We're talking about the move from classic search engine optimization to something entirely new, driven by artificial intelligence.
And to really understand it, we're using what might be the most high stakes, highest urgency example out there.
Locksmith services.
Exactly. I mean, think about it. You're locked out of your car, it's late, you're stressed. You search emergency locksmith near me.
And you need a result right now. You're making a decision based on speed and, just as importantly, trust.
And that's the new arena, isn't it? It's not just about being the top link on Google anymore.
Not at all. It's about being the answer that Google's AI overviews gives you, or what Gemini says, or what ChatGPT recommends. You have to win that immediate moment of need.
So the sources we dug into, they really laid out a new framework for this. They talk about three core pillars.
Right. AI SEO, LLM SEO, and semantic SEO.
They sound kind of similar, but they're really distinct functions.
Completely distinct, and there's a definite hierarchy. It all starts with the foundation, which is semantic SEO.
Okay, so break that down. What is that?
It's basically the deep background work. It's using structured data schema markup to build a web of contextual relationships.
You're not just telling Google you're a locksmith. You're defining the exact lock types you service, your certifications, your service area, everything.
Precisely. You're building the factual, entity-based context so the AI doesn't have to guess. It knows.
So why does that matter so much to an AI?
Because the AI has to trust your content before it will ever cite you as an answer. Semantic SEO provides that bedrock of trust.
And once that trust is there, that's where LLM SEO comes in.
Exactly. LLM SEO is about making sure that when a large language model like the one powering Gemini generates an answer, it can easily find and correctly reference your brand, your phone number, your details.
And AI SEO is the umbrella over all of this.
Right? It's the overall strategy that uses machine learning to understand and match that really specific urgency-driven intent. So, Car Key Locksmith gets an immediate service result, not a blog post.
Okay, so if context is king, how does a small local business actually build this stuff into their digital footprint?
That leads right into the technical side of things. It's not optional anymore.
The sources were clear on this. You need a site built for AI. That means it has to be incredibly fast, mobile first, no excuses.
Absolutely. And it means using schema for everything. You have to translate your services, your hours, your customer reviews into code the AI can read fluently.
And for a field like security, that trust factor, or EEAT as Google calls it, is everything.
Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Yeah, it's paramount. The AI is actively looking for signals of credibility.
Like service certifications, licenses, things like that displayed clearly on the site.
If an AI can't verify that you're a reliable choice in a crisis, it simply won't risk recommending you.
But wait, if the AI is just giving the answer, how does any single business make sure they're the one that gets cited?
Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? And it's why we're seeing this whole new field emerge. The sources call it AEO and GEO.
Answer engine optimization and generative engine optimization.
Right. And for that kind of specialized expertise, you see offshore partners, like Samyak Online was mentioned, stepping in to build these complex systems across markets, the US, the UK, Australia.
So you're getting that deep technical advantage to become the authority, the AI references, but you're still funneling the calls to the local franchise.
And that's what feeds those high-intent paid campaigns, the ones focused purely on generating a call from a mobile search.
So the big takeaway here seems pretty simple, really.
It is. The businesses that win are the ones that constantly align everything. The deep semantic relevance, the readiness for LLMs, and the AI-driven intent matching.
They become the most visible and most trusted choice in that critical moment of decision.
That's the game.
Which leaves a pretty big question for you, our listener. How are these exact same principles, this intense need for contextual trust, this push for generative optimization, this demand for instant verification, how is that quietly reshaping the search results for every single local business you depend on right now? From your plumber to your pediatrician, that's the real story here.